Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna share to you a tutorial on how to hide your new playlist on Spotify from your profile by default. So if you created a new playlist, it won't be shown in your profile. So the first thing that you need to do is go to the click on your profile name here and then go to settings, and then here scroll down until you find the social menu, and under it switch off or on the publish my new playlist on my profile, this one. If you want to hide it, so as you can see, now it's turned on, so it will automatically publish my new playlist on my profile. But if you uh, turn it off until it turns to gray, it will automatically hide the new playlist from my profile. Okay, that's so easy, right? Okay, so that is how you can hide your new playlist on Spotify from your profile by default. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.